Mahadev and today we are gonna unbox this Lego City Mr. Chill ice cream. So let's begin. Here. Oh my god. There you go. Well, let's open it up. Can anyone help? Look at these are the parts. And some stickers also come, I know, which I'm terrible at. Oh no! So these are the instruction manuals which you're gonna do. Book number 1, book number 2. Let's get opening. Some bags. First bag. Open. Open sesame. And our bag number 2. Yes. There you go. Oh my god. There's some minifigures too. There's a skateboard. Oh, there's a skateboard in this set. Yo, let's rock and roll. There's a skateboard. So see this? Hello. So this is a doggy. And I did not expect he's so small. Aww. I thought he's gonna be big, giant. But he's so small. And there's a helmet. Can you see that? Ice cream. Ice cream. I feel like to eat it with this. I want to cut. Oh, it's so small. Let's get building. Bag number 1. Let's make this minifig. Yeah, I need some dumbbells too. Are there any dumbbells? Oh yeah, one. Dumbbell number 1. Attached to this skateboard. So this is the ice cream truck that it's ready. So you see there's a giant ice cream on top saying, hey, wow. These are these mirrors thing which you see on trucks. And you can see there are doors which open. You can put the minifigure inside. Here's a man with a skateboard. Do a 250. Thank God you have a helmet. And this is a small puppy. And I just noticed, guys, chocolate flavor ice cream can be represented as the puppy's poop. Yuck! Let's see. So when you can see, here's a lady who will give you any ice cream you want with a sliding window. And if you want to steal some, then at the back, you can just open here. Here are 2 popsicles. 1 and here's 2. So you can see here, there are 2 popsicles which are minifigure hand sized. Like see that. 1 he can hold here. Oh my god, can you please hold that? And 2. And so that's it. Please subscribe to my channel. I need to reach the highest score. Please subscribe.